Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi MOT'D low mileage Euro 6 bargain. Body white, panel van. Mileage 83,382. MOT the 14th of February 2024. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Rear right brake caliper is not 100% efficient and will need replacing soon as the pedal is a little spongy. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6.